Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. In his lifelong efforts to curb violence, Mahatma Gandhi often used the term Ahimsa. Ahimsa, spelled Ahimsa, is an ancient Sanskrit term usually translated as nonviolence. There's more to this translation, however, which shows the real significance of the word. When all violence has subsided in our hearts, then our native state is love. I would add that even avoiding a person we dislike can be a subtle form of himsa or violence. Therefore, in everyday terms, ahimsa often means bearing with difficult people. In Alaska, we have a tall, dark green leafy plant called stinging nettles. You only have to walk by it for it to stretch out and sting you. By the time you get home, your skin has a burning sensation that won't let you think about anything else. Even though nettles are edible and contain more vitamins and minerals than spinach, most people consider it a noxious weed. In India, they have a similar plant called elephant nettle and an expression that goes with it. A self-willed person is like an elephant nettle. That's why the moment we see somebody who tends to spread hurtful gossip or say unkind things, we make a detour. We avoid eye contact and pretend we have suddenly remembered something that takes us in another direction. But the fact is, we just don't want to be stung. When we complain about someone in the neighborhood or at a meeting that we don't like, we're actually identifying an opportunity to grow. The best thing to do is go near that person, sit next to him, let yourself slowly get comfortable in his or her presence. Then lend a listening ear, give him your sympathy, and help take the sting out of his nettleness. We can apply the same attitude to how we feel about certain vegetables. If you're like most people, when face to face with a beet or Brussels sprout, you make that detour saying, "Yick! I hate those vegetables." Here again, you're missing an opportunity to grow. In this case, health-wise, with food that's good for you. Take the nettleness out of your attitude by growing a vegetable this year that you don't especially care for. By doing that, you'll be embracing ahimsa, which, as Gandhi said, is the attribute of the soul, and therefore to be practiced by everybody in all affairs of life. For the UpBeet Gardener, that's UpBeet with 2 E's, I'm Marion Owen in Kodiak, Alaska.